Homestead here. Hope everyone's having a great day. Today we're going to make do-it-yourself anti-inflammatory golden milk. It has a lot of different ingredients in it, but a lot of things that's going to really help your body for the inflammation inside as of gut health. If you have gut inflammation, that affects your whole body. It can cause depression. It can cause diabetes. A lot of different things. We're going to use raw milk because, we're big raw milk advocates. But if you are not able to drink cow's milk or goat's milk, perhaps you should look towards the coconut milk or the almond milk if that is something that you think you're going to need in order to do this recipe. This actually works and it does really help our bodies. It does take a little bit to build up over time, but Rome wasn't built in a day. We haven't destroyed our bodies in a day, so we're not going to fix them in a day either. So let's get started. We have 1 cup of raw milk, 1/2 cup of water, and to that we're going to add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil or ghee. We're going to use the coconut oil. We're going to turn this on and let it warm. We do not want to boil it because if we boil any at all, it's going to ruin the enzymes in our milk. The coconut oil or the ghee is completely optional, but I do put it in this because it makes the bioavailability of the turmeric, and it also will help with the digestive process. It's a little bit of fat that will help the digestive process. So you're probably saying to yourself, how can you have an anti-inflammatory for your stomach and your whole body? Because dairy has been told for a long time that dairy causes inflammation. Raw milk, raw dairy, that is false. When you have raw milk or raw dairy, it does not cause inflammation. What's causing inflammation is not so much the dairy as what is put into the milk to keep it, and after it's pasteurized, to make sure it doesn't spoil from there on out. Now we're going to focus back on our do-it-yourself anti-inflammatory golden milk. Once our raw milk, our water, and our coconut oil has completely melted the coconut and it's just warm, never boil this remedy, I've turned it off and gathered up my herbs. We have grated ginger. We also have turmeric. We have a little bit of pepper because the turmeric, the main ingredients in turmeric, is not beneficial unless it has some black pepper to get it rolling. What else do we have in here? We have some cinnamon. And there's a few other herbs. I will list everything in the recipe below so you can make sure you make this. We're going to now add this to our milk and water and our coconut oil. We're going to add this to our milk and simmer for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Under no circumstances do we ever boil this. So we're going to use a very low heat. I have my stove as low as it will go. And we're just going to whisk it together. And every now and then we'll come back and stir. Do not simmer for any more than 10 minutes. We've simmered ours for 5 minutes. It's 5 to 10. We did the minimal amount. And now we're going to pour it in this jar. Once it cools, it can be refrigerated, and then you could drink all this in one day. Fresh is the best. So usually we need to make one of these every day for us, and we need to drink at least this much. We do never want to boil that because it will ruin the potency of the remedy, and we're after all the minerals and nutrients and gut healing effects and anti-inflammatory that we're trying to extract from all the herbs that we've put in here. As I said previously, I'll put the recipe in the description below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.